Hi guys, welcome to another video by Optionables. My name is Ayush and I am a trader. In this video, we'll discuss about tomorrow's expiry and the outlook we have for tomorrow's expiry. Initially, we want to begin with the data released by USA, which is CPI data. So generally, whenever this data is announced by USA, there is a huge gap down or gap up in the market because this is one of the biggest data release where all the markets are concerned, and it can lead to maybe a big trend or maybe a trend reversal. So talking about that, whenever such data are announced, we always suggest that if you are carrying a trade, the maximum risk which you take in any situation should not exceed 0.5%, and even if it is possible, generally avoid taking trades whenever such big data are announced. So for us, going into the event, we expect a bullish to flat opening, and the reason being that the continuous trend has been uptrend, and Bank Nifty today tested around the previous breakout, which was 44,500. So currently we closed around somewhere around 700. So we expect that on the lower side it might not fall more than that, and we might see a retracement upside and the uptrend might continue. So coming back to Nifty has been consolidating within the range of 19,525 on the upside and 19,300. So we have seen one thing from the last week, that whenever Nifty has approached 19,525 or 19,500, it has got rejected more than 2 times. So if the data release gets the US market bullish and we also open with a gap up and break that level, that will be a very bullish signal, because any level which has been tested 3 times and the market was not able to break it, and if we are able to break it, the continuation will be seen in that zone. So for me, until and unless 19,300 in Nifty and 44,500 on Bank Nifty is broken, I don't want to go aggressively bearish, because we simply might every time see that this might be the top or this might be the reversal, and the market might continue in the uptrend. So we don't have to fight the trend, and unless and until there is a clear indication on daily time frame where Bank Nifty breaks below 44,500 and Nifty breaks below 19,300, then only we will see to have aggressively bearish position or maybe have a bearish view on the market. The reason we are focusing more on the uptrend in small and mid cap, because generally that is what shows the strength in the market, and small and mid cap cannot be shorted because they are not available in FNO market. So whenever there is a decrease in the market breadth or generally there is a weakness, all the market segment, it should be large cap, small cap and mid cap, will see some pause in the rally, and then we might have a top forming and then we might reverse. But there is no sign of that yet, and small cap and mid cap are doing quite well. We are seeing more and more breakouts on cash market stocks, and that is giving a very good signal for the markets. So until and unless major supports are broken on Nifty and Bank Nifty, we don't want to go bearish. So that was our analysis for tomorrow's expiry. Thank you, and if you like this video, like, share and subscribe.